back to Cars Jade channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Porsche Cayenne GTS. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne GTS is a shining example of how luxury, performance, and practicality can coexist in the competitive SUV market. Combining Porsche's iconic engineering with unparalleled design, this model cements its status as a leader in its class. Porsche has introduced several key updates to elevate the Cayenne GTS for the 2026 model year. A sleeker front fascia, redesigned LED headlights, and modernized rear taillight bars enhance the SUV's commanding presence. A refined 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 offers increased horsepower and improved efficiency. The updated Porsche Communication Management System boasts faster processing speeds and expanded connectivity options. New customization choices, additional color palettes, materials, and wheel designs allow buyers to tailor the Cayenne GTS to their tastes. The 2026 Cayenne GTS showcases a harmonious balance between athletic aggression and refined elegance. Aerodynamic excellence, sculpted curves and precise detailing enhance airflow and driving stability. Exclusive GTS features, blacked-out accents on the grille, window trim, and exhaust tips underscore its sporty character. Striking wheels. New 22-inch forged alloy wheel options provide a distinctive look. Matrix LED headlights. Adaptive lighting technology ensures superior visibility in all conditions. The interior of the 2026 Cayenne GTS is designed to impress, offering a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Premium materials. Standard Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber accents deliver a sophisticated and sporty feel. Advanced technology. A larger 14.9-inch touchscreen provides intuitive controls and seamless wireless smartphone integration. Comfort-first design. Ergonomically designed sports seats with memory functions ensure every journey is comfortable. Ambient lighting. Customizable lighting creates a serene and inviting cabin environment. The heart of the 2026 Cayenne GTS lies in its robust and meticulously engineered powertrain. A 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 delivering an estimated 473 horsepower. Transmission 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic for smooth, responsive shifts. Standard all-wheel drive ensures optimal grip and precise handling in any condition. Acceleration. Achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Offering a driving experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. Porsche enthusiasts can expect the 2026 Cayenne GTS to arrive at dealerships by fall 2025. Pre-orders are expected to begin in summer 2025, with initial allocations likely to sell out quickly due to high demand. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.